So we're asked to describe a distribution box and whisker plot. So the question, homework, the students in Mr. Osama's language arts class found the average number of minutes that they each spent on homework each night. So this is shown in this table. So we're asked to use a graphing calculator to create a box and whisker plot. Then describe the shape of the distribution. So we're going to put this data, and we're going to use Desmos. So I'm just going to make this small. Okay, so the data we have, so we can put this in. I'm going to put D for data equals, and then it's going to be this square bracket. So we need to put in our data separated with a comma. So we've got 62, 53, 46, 66, 38, 45, 52, 46, 73, 39, 42, 56, 64, 54, 48, 59, 70, 60, 49, 64, 48, 57, 70, and 33, and we need to close it. Now it's told us that there's 24 elements in our list, and we can check our table. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Okay, so if we go to our option, so just clicking on here, our functions. So we have our stats, we have our different bits of data we'll look at shortly. And then we have our DIST. So looking at here, we have histogram, dot plot, and box plot. So we're going to click on box plot. So it says enter the data set. Now, because we've listed it, we can just put in the letter D. Now, it asks us if we want to exclude outliers. So the outliers are the ones that are going to be the extreme values. So we'll just say no. And okay, so I've just changed our display here. So we can see that the smallest value is going to be here. This is the minimum. So let's check our min. So we can put in here min. So our minimum value of D, and this is giving us 33. So this value here is at 33. So our maximum, of our data set, I'm going to call D, so 73. So our maximum is on 73, and we want to find our median. So if we put in our median value, median of our data set D, 53.5. So this is going to tell us that this value here is 53. So quartile. So if we type in quartile, so our data set D, and we want quartile 1. So this is comma 1. So this is giving us our value of 46. So we can see that this value here is on 42, 44, 46. We want quartile 3. So we can do D comma 3. And this is going to tell us 63. So we have our quartile 3 here. So if we wanted the mean, so the mean of our data is 53.91. So compare our median, 53.5 and 53.91. So the mean is very close to the median. So the lengths of the whiskers are approximately equal. So if we check our data here, we've got 46. The difference, so this is the interquartile range, Q3 minus Q1. The range we've got from 33 up to the maximum value, which we said was 73. So the distance here is more or less equal. So we can say it's equally distributed. So it is going to be symmetric.